In this video, I'm going to show you how you can very simply FPV any RC car that you have. Welcome everyone, my name is Troy, this is Roadside RC. On this channel you'll find me doing bashing and crawling, drifting, racing, plus product review videos and how-tos, and exactly that is what we have today. I've always wanted to be able to drive my cars through some FPV goggles, and we have now figured out how to do it. The secret to the whole success is this 3-in-1 FPV camera system that you can quickly and easily buy straight from Amazon. It is an antenna, camera, and transmitter all in one. In the box, this is what you will see. This is the little unit that you get right here. It is very, very small. You can see versus the size of my hand. Small antenna up there on the top, camera, transmitter here on the back. All I have done is taken its wires, because it needs to have some kind of battery voltage to supply it, and I have simply spliced it to a servo input wire. So I just had a servo lead, cut the ends off, spliced them together. The second thing you then need is a pair of FPV goggles. Now I have this set. This is the FXT. This is the Viper from FXT. That's because I have really big glasses, and so I need something that can fit around them. I can also provide you a link to some e-sheens that work really, really well. The only watch out here is you want to pick up a set of goggles. If you're going to be using this with any kind of kids under the age of 12, you want a box style goggle similar to what I have. You don't want the small round ones. It can screw up with kids' eyes a little bit sometimes because of the spacing of them. And so really you can get some of these box goggles for fairly cheap. In your RC car then, here's my Traxxas TRX4. I just ran a spare servo extension in so that I can plug this straight into the receiver to get power for it. A long lead here meant that I could then run it back out through, and then I could tape it or mount it. I actually was able to actually just wedge the camera in under this front roll bar, and it gave me a nice view of the front of the truck. Similar over here on the Losi Mini-B. What I did is I just drilled these two holes, and then what I could do is actually just zip tie the whole assembly right here to the back wing, run the wire in, power it off the receiver that is built in. No issues whatsoever. Get this fired up. Let's take it out. I'm going to show you first run footage with this in this truck. It is really, really cool. Let's go check it out. How's the video quality?
It's good.
You said it's not bouncy, it's not shaky. I guess the good news compared to a drone is if you lose signal, you don't crash. You just stop. Gas, gas, gas. There you go. Good job.
Like a roller coaster.
Yeah, I was going to say, I bet it's fun. Come in over by the slide. The other way. Yeah. That way. You got it. And then go right. Right. Yeah, the issue is you can't see the tires, you can't see any of that, so like hard climbing I think would be difficult because you can't place the tires precisely. This is better than most of our drones.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to back it up. Go a little left. Yep, right there. There you go, there you go. Oh, front bumper. There's a wedge there, yeah. Oh, you made it after all. Oh my God, good save. I thought for sure you were crashing that one. Go left, go underneath there. Yes. All right, so as I come in here, I have to kind of guess where the tires are, don't you?
Yeah.
And I have to guess like, okay, am I going to actually get it on there?
Oh, man, the motion.
It's crazy.
The motion, you can definitely feel it. I feel like I'm driving slower because I'm so nervous about rolling it over. We definitely need to figure out like a little case or something for it so we can tumble it. I have no idea where the rear of the truck is. Oh, here we go. We're going in a tunnel. We're going in a tunnel. Dude, the picture quality is still great. Great for analog FPV at least. Alright, and this is tough. It definitely pays to have a good crawler like the TRX4. Am I going to roll it? I feel super on an angle. Oh, I made it! Either I made it or you helped me, one or the other. Uh-oh. Oh, that was almost the fence. This is so cool. It's like I'm in it, right?
Yeah.
Ruh-roh. Ha! Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm going to go on the teeter-totter. Oh, I'm going to go on the teeter-totter. Oh! Oh, that was cool. Alright, turning around. Alright, I'm going to need you to spot me on this one. I'm going to try to go up this.
I can't hear you.
I'm going to try to go up.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I have no idea. Do I need to go left, right? What do I need to do?
Keep going.
I can't see anything.
Turning left. Going.
Am I going to hit?
No.
Oh my. Hi, James. Oh, this is so cool. Dun 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 dun. Oh man.
Wait, so it just has a tiny little camera like that on it? What camera is that? It's
Aha!
just for doing.
And it literally works just like that. Oh, that's too cool.
So honestly, it's literally just as simple as that. Get the itty bitty little 3-in-1 unit. I'll have a link to it down in the video description below. Get yourself a set of goggles, solder this wire on so that you can plug it straight into your receiver, and then you can FPV basically anything you want. You just tape it on there, hot glue it, double-sided tape it, zip tie it, wedge it in under a bar, however, and it just works. And I'll be honest, it adds a whole nother dimension to driving RC cars. You're sitting down, goggles on, you know, running around. Crawling was really interesting because you just couldn't quite see like up and over the obstacles, so it was really nerve-wracking. The buggy has been a blast, especially like in the house, in my garage here. Ability to blast in, like I can go in underneath my cars, I can go around furniture in the house, like we can sit in the living room, we can go anywhere in the house and get connection and service and like have our own little race thing. This is really, really pretty fun. If you've ever been interested, if you've ever thought about how to FPV your RC car, this is it. It is simple. Go out and do it. I think I might fire these up and have some more fun with them. So while I'm doing that, please come over here, check out some other videos that I've already made, and we will see you in the next one. So thank you and goodbye.